Hello, good morning everybody. Parehatan, adjust ko lang yung camera ko. Ayan. Yes. Today, hindi po kami nakapag-jogging kasi masama ang pakiramdam ng aking husband. Tapos, meron siyang nasugat yung kanyang isang maliit na toe kasi yung rubber shoes yata or yung medyas na ginamit niya parang nag-cause ng friction kaya medyo nasugatan siya. But anyhow, so dito po ako ngayon doing my kaninang umaga nakapag-start na akong mag-work from 6 o'clock. So, dito na rin ako nag-breakfast sa aking desk. Pinrepair ni husband yung aking breakfast which is toast with mayo and also um, a glass of cranberry pomegranate juice. And today I will be doing client or onboarding pa rin while we listen to some music. Ayan. You can drop your questions, no? If you have questions, those who are watching and will be watching this, you can drop your questions about virtual assistant. Syempre, you work from home and I will respond to you or reply. Or perhaps one day we can do a live na kung paano ko ginagawa yung work, no? For just for you. I was thinking, since itong ginagawa kong live streaming since the other day is kumbaga parang dry run pa lang. Hopefully by tomorrow I will be starting to give you some topics, no? And itutur ko kayo on how to do those things in as much as I can, no? Based on my experience as a virtual assistant, no? And then maybe some tools, mga ano na pwede kong ipakita sa inyo how we do it, how I do it actually. And then perhaps you can also do it. Yeah. So, itong aking mga live stream na ito, I'm downloading them as well and posting them on my YouTube channel. You can like and subscribe my YouTube channel which is Lady Boss GBA. Lalagay ko na lang yung link dito sa um, dito mamaya ilalagay ko yung link. And then I also have my website. Dalawa yung aking website which is perisosvaservices.com which is the company that I started up para makapag to get clients and also at the same time to uh, be able to help other people get clients as well. And then I have my own blog site which is ladybossgva.com. May mga write-ups ako doon or mga blogs all about being virtual assistant and the things that pag mahilig kayong magbasa, you can go to the blog site. And kung mahilig naman kayong manood, you can go to my YouTube channel because I have a lot of videos that I have posted in the past years, no, that I've been working as a VA. And then the last few weeks I've been posting mga video tutorials na ginagawa ko. It's a full 1 hour, minsan 2 hours na tutorial. Yung mga iba, kinakat ko para sa ganun hindi kayo masyadong mainip, no? So, ayan. So, right now, uh, nandito pala ako sa aking So, as you can see on the screen is an Excel worksheet which I did to, to record all my expenses, my income, and my expenses, no, para namomonitor ko kung I'm exceeding the budget on my paycheck. Weekly paycheck po ako. And so, uh, I created an Excel worksheet which will kumbaga parang inano ko yung bank ko para mas madaling mag bank reconciliation, no? Kahit personal lang, I do bank reconciliation. And then I also record every bits and pieces of what I do, like yung mga yun nga, yung mga expenses, no? So expenses, income, and then other income as well, kasi kung minsan I create some ref magnets. I think meron akong ref magnets dito. Asan na ba yung ref magnets? I'll show you. I do some crafts also na minsan binibenta ko, minsan pinamimigay ko. So, then, yung iba, they order from me, especially for weddings, birthdays, no? I use different apps. But lately, I'm using Canva kasi very, si Canva ngayon, very user-friendly siya. Marami siyang templates and it's easier to maneuver within Canva, no? So, sa pagdating sa designing, graphics and designing, so I mostly use Canva, and they have also yung mga 30 seconder na videos or 5 seconds videos that you can do in Canva. So, I'll show you one of the things that I did para makita niya. Yeah. So, this is a ref magnet which I made, no? Kumbaga, so it's a ref magnet. It's a size of 6 inches by 4 inches ref magnet. Tapos, kung makikita nyo siya, para siyang makinang, para siyang 3D. So, I have a paper which, or parang covering that I use for this one. And so, it becomes a nice, pag nilagay mo sa ref. So, I use these things, and I make them, I sell them, no? Marami pa akong mga designs which I am doing, no? And for those people who would like to have me design their souvenirs, ayan, souvenirs, yes, I do souvenirs, no? 3 by 4 inches ref magnets, or pwede din yung kalahati lang nito, pwede yon. And then meron naman yung parang ID lang siya. So, I do that. And also, I do invitations as well, no? Mga printouts lang ng mga invitations. I started doing that way back, I think, 8 years ago. Kasi it's another income, no? For me. So, kumbaga, lahat halos ng pwedeng gawin, ginagawa ko. So, that, meron kang facilities, so why not use it, no? So, I also do mga, ano ba tawag nito? I also do some accessories. I'll show you. So, mahilig din po ako sa mga hair accessories. So, I do this. And headband accessories, no? With pearls and mga glass beads. So, gumagawa rin po ako ng mga designs na ganito. Okay, para sa mga kababaihan. And mga designs po na ganyan. Meron po ako mga ginagawa para sa wedding or para sa mga, ayan. So, this one is going to America. Bali, yung aking friend, when she saw all the things that I'm doing, nasa YouTube channel ko ito. I am teaching people on how to do it, no? So you can watch it for those who would like to have another sideline. Ayan. Pag mahilig ka sa mga arts, you can do this, no? And then, kung mahilig ka naman ng layouting sa computer, pwede mong gawin yung mga ref magnets. Ayan. So, I'm on live stream. And also, ayan, gumawa din po ako ng mga ganito before, mga gawa sa beads, no? Mga acrylic beads, may mga bag, may mga wallets. I think may mga wallets pa ako dyan. Ayan. So, flag, Philippine flag na keychain. So, naging patok ito noon, no? And then, I also do flowers dito sa aking YouTube channel. You will see how I created flowers and orchids, no? Different kind of flowers. Meron akong video tutorial niyan. And also, orchids I have. So, in my YouTube channel, just like, subscribe, because sometimes most of the time, I mean, I post tutorials, no? In all the things that I do. Ayan. So, this one, I think nagawan ko ito ng channel. Ayan. And then also, I have some videos wherein I take you to a tour. Nung ako po ay nag-travel sa America last year. So, everything na pinuntahan ko doon, I have a video of that and I posted it on my YouTube channel para makasama ko kayo. Ayan. So, yep. So, just click like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and then follow nyo po ako in my kumbaga parang banner. Nandoon po yung aking mga social media channels that you can follow. I'm also in LinkedIn, no? And then I will be probably magbi-video po ako mamaya or magre-recording ako mamaya on how I create my ad posts 3-in-1. So, you have 3 channels, which this app will, you only use one app, post it on that app, and then it will post it for you in 3 channel. Like, if you, kung in-add mong channel is LinkedIn, and then Facebook, and then Instagram, so ipopost niya po doon. Yan, kahapon I'm already doing the ads or the layouts ng mga pictures, no? And then also the wordings, no? So, I will show you how to do that for free, of course, for free, no? I thank God for giving me this gift for free, and so I am giving it out for free at the same time, no? But just like and subscribe para makakuha kayo ng updates, and you will be informed, no? Pag may mga updates or mga bagong videos ako na ina-upload. Yeah. So, come here, Jaco. Come here. Come here, young man. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ayan. Kita ka nila live, na? Okay. So, yep. Ito po ang aking baby, no? Baby Jaco. Ayan, say hi! Sabi mo, hi everybody. Kinan, hi everybody ka mo na. Oh, mahihain po siya pag may camera. Ayan, nahihiya siya. Ano? Ha? Ayun o, ayun sila. Hi everybody! I am my mommy's little boy. Come on. Oh. Pababa ka na. Ito po yung aking tagabantay. Ayan. Tagabantay pero lagi siyang tulog dito sa aking office. Ayan. So, hello po sa lahat ng nanonood ng aking live. Ayan. So, follow lang po. Follow, no? Follow lang po ninyo ang inyong lingkod. Alright. So, we can ano tayo dito? Just like what I said, I always listen to So, I think I told everybody already na kailangan kapag ikaw ay isang work from home, you have to assign an area wherein yun yung magiging work place mo lang. When I initially started, being a VA, kung saan-saan lang ako dito sa loob ng bahay kasi nga, ang gamit ko lang is laptop, and then I was only using, I think, nung time na yun, kasi hindi pa masyadong kailangan ng mataas na specs eh. So, kung saan-saan lang ako, and sometimes I'm in my bedroom, and sometimes I am in the dining area, and then one day I just said, hindi siya, pagdating dun sa posture, kasi kapag hindi maayos, say for example, wala kang maayos na upuan, it can affect your back, and also naaano yung posture mo, naaapektuhan yung posture mo. So, I came up with an area, dito sa aming dining area kasi maliit lang naman yung dining table namin during that time. So, doon ako position sa dining area. Merong isang corner doon na para siyang cubicle. So, yun ang kinonvert ko to be my office. Kasi, the reason why you need to have your own office space, or at least kung meron kang bakanting room, you can use that room. Before kasi meron kaming isang maid's room dito sa bahay, so I use that, but after some time when I needed a room, to help somebody, so doon ko nilagay, doon ko kinonvert ko yung room na yun as their bedroom. And then, I put myself in the dining area na lang. Basta meron akong table, office table, and a chair, and then my printer is also there. So, mas, siya, ideal na meron kang isang work area that it's just only for doing the work. Kasi kailangan mababalanse mo pa rin yung buhay ng working, and then yung buhay mo inside your home, Kasi, like me, hindi ka naman pwedeng mag-work sa kitchen. Habang nagluluto ka, nag-work ka. So, it will affect your, yung result or yung mga output mo, So, that's what I did. And then, until such time, I think during the pandemic, During the pandemic, doon pinagawa ng husband ko itong extension namin sa kusina, because he was able to receive amelioration, from US. So, inayos namin yung bubong and everything because things are falling off in the house. It's a 20-year-old house. And then, dahil masyadong malapad yung kitchen, ginawa niya ng room, It's, as I've said, my room is about 2.9 by 10, So, it's ganun siya, hindi siya masyadong malaki, but it's enough to have a table, a folding bed, kasi may folding bed ako dito whenever I needed to take a rest, Yung aking folding bed is like a sofa bed. Yan. So, it's a sofa bed, convertible siya. And then, I have it here. And then, meron ding area si Jaco. Ayan. Because, pero mahilig siyang matulog sa ilalim ng table. Ay, hindi. Natutulog na siya dun sa bed niya. Ayan. Natutulog na siya sa bed niya. So, then, we put up an air condition kasi kung minsan, masyadong mainit, especially if you are running 2 monitors, a laptop, and a tablet, and then masyadong malakas yung iyong system unit. So, kailangan merong air condition, tapos kulog pa ito dahil yung bintana niya maliliit lang, and then hindi mo naman siya pwedeng buksan palagi, dahil neighbor mo na yung kabila. So, yun yung ano namin. And then, yun nga, you make sure that you have a good uh, chair, no? Ergonomic chair na pwede kang sumandal. Ayan. Para sa ganun, komportable ka at saka hindi masyadong ano yung iyong likod. Hindi masyadong masakit. I used to have always back pain when I was starting this job, no? Kasi nga hindi ko alam yung mga ganitong bagay, no? Tapos, pag may back pain ako, it normally affects my head. I am having migraine, no, mga headaches. So, yun. And then, also, if you have eye problem, kailangan magpa-check up ka. You have to have the correct eye, no, eyeglasses, no. At saka kung pwede, yung eyeglasses mo, you have to request na meron siyang parang filter sa radiation. So, my eyeglasses, dahil nga ang aking, ang grado po ng eyeglasses ko is 600 and 500. Opo, masyadong malaki. Masyadong malakas. So, my right eye is 600 and my left eye is 500. Kaya parang siya double vista. Ganyan po siya kakapal. Lumalabas po siya sa frame. Yeah. Pero, 5-layer po ito. When say 5-layer, meron na po siyang reading at the same time, no? Kasi kung minsan, kapag mataas ang astigmatism mo, minsan hindi siya pwedeng lagyan ng reading, no? Reading lens. But this one, dahil bumaba po yung aking grado, so nilagyan na ni Doc ng reading lens. So, meron siyang reading lens, meron siyang protection against radiation, meron po siyang pag lumabas ka sa daan, nagda-darken siya mag-isa. So, and I really like this eyeglasses. Once a year, I have to go for an eye checkup. Kasi kung minsan bumababa yung grado, kaya sumasakit yung ulo, or either bumababa or tumataas yung grado, no? So, then you have to take good care of your eyeglasses, lalo na kung medyo pricey, no? So, yan. And you have to always wear it, pero dapat pag tinatanggal mo siya, alam mo kung paano. There's a nice, or a way. There is a way of removing your eyeglasses, hindi lang kasi tinanggal mo siyang ganyan. Before, pag tinatanggal ko siya, basta ko lang siya tinanggal, ganun lang. But now, I've learned that I have to close my eyes kapag tatanggalin ko siya, and at the same time, pag ibabalik ko siya, naka-close eyes pa rin ako para hindi masyadong nai-strain yung mata, no? Kasi, syempre, mag-a-adjust yung mata mo doon sa natural, and then, pag meron ka ng lente, no? So, that's what I do, no? And, so, then, kapag naman yung iyong eyeglasses ay puno na ng ang tawag dito, parang mga gasgas or dumi-dumi, no? May mga ginagamit po akong mga lens wipes. But this one, I bought it from Robinson. It's a lens cleaning wipes, no? Para sa eyeglasses. It's a 10-pack sa isang box, which is like this. Pero disposable siya. Once mo lang magagamit yung isa. And so, I saw this thing in Lazada. It's called Old Schoolmate na frame glasses and anti-fogging. Ito naman, you can use it several times. So, ang ginagawa ko, I bought a lot of this kasi nga mura lang siya. Nag-sale kasi siya eh. And it will help your eyeglasses a lot. So, ganito siya. No? It's a cloth na hindi siya napupunit. And then, kapag natuyo na siya, kasi para siyang may liquid eh. No? Pag natuyo na siya, I use it to wipe my monitor. Ayan. So, kesa sa gumagamit ako ng tissue. So, this one will help my monitor. Yan. Pag ano na siya, pag lumang-luma na siya. Yan. So, siguro nagamit ko to 10 times or 1 week, no, sa eyeglasses ko. And then now, I'm using it sa aking mga monitor. Kasi kung minsan yung mga monitor, meron silang mga, ewan ko, nadidikit na kung ano-ano. So, this one will really clean it. No? So, yan. And also this one. No? Pati sa tablet, pwede siya. Tsaka sa cellphone. Okay? You can use it for the tablet. Ayan, no? Tatanggalin niya yung mga markings ng mga tablet. Yung mga finger markings, no? Ayan. Ayan. So, ang kagandahan nito, pwede mo siyang itiin. And it will not ruin or put scratches sa iyong gadget. No? So, yeah. I think ito ilang weeks ko nang ginagamit. Ayan. Then, what I do, babalik ko lang siya dito. No? That means it's for my monitor. Ayan. Nasa Lazada. Oo, Kuya Marco. Nasa Lazada ito. Oo, sa Lazada ko talaga binili. Yan. So, most of the items that I have, sa Lazada ko binibili. And, friend kami nang nagde-deliver si Kuya Marco. Ayan, nanonood siya. Dahil kapag friend ka ng, iyong Lazada delivery guy, palagi niyang sisiguraduhin na maayos ang iyong yung iyong mga deliveries. Ayan. So, may in-order ulit ako sa Lazada, Kuya Marco. In-order ko kanina. Kanina lang. Ayan. So, there are several things na nabili ko din sa Lazada. Ayan. Yung aking, eto. Ayan. Ito, binili ko rin to sa Lazada. Ayan. Kasi kung minsan, dito sa office ko, merong lamok. No? Ayan. So, ito, iniiwan ko naka-on ito pag gabi. Para yung mga lamok or yung mga yung mga ipis. Or not ipis, mga insekto. Yan, mamamatay. Okay? Yan. Hindi na yata umaandar. Hindi, na low bat. Okay. Mamaya, i-charge ko siya. So, chargeable yan. Okay. At saka ito din sa Lazada ko binili. Pero hindi yung damit. Yung ko, malaki. Sa Lazada yan. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. Kanina, as I've said, I already finished onboarding one client. No? And so now, I am onboarding the second client. Bali, ang huli na ito na i-onboard ko. Okay, so, ayun, susumbong sa atin yung ating manugang. So, anyhow, mamaya ako na i-expose ano yung sinusumbong ng manugang ko sa akin. Anyhow, alright. Let's see. Dito tayo. Okay, dito tayo. Laging safe mga... Yes. Yes, that's true. Laging safe talaga ang mga order namin. Pero hindi lang yung order namin, lahat yata safe naman. Oo, basta't basta't kayo ang nagde-deliver, no? Safe lahat. Meron nga akong, actually, saan ko pa in-order? Itong aking, upuan, ayan po, check nyo, ayan, yung aking upuan. Ito, no? Itong aking upuan ay Lazada yan. Oo. So, in-order ko sa Lazada kasi nga, hindi ko alam kung nabibigatan sa akin yung dati kong upuan, kaya bumigay na. So, this one is a good ergonomic chair. Ayan. Meron pa siyang sandalan sa ulo. So, minsan, kapag gusto kong magpahinga, no, I can rest. Pero meron akong bibilhin na isa pa ulit na upuan yan. Kapag bumigay na to, kasi ito, budgeted muna ako ngayon. Dahil nasa 1,007 yata to 1,600. Pero yung balak kong bilhin parang nasa 3,000 kasi meron siyang footrest. Ito wala. Ang kagandahan lang nito, pwede mong itaas yung armrest. No? Yan. Pwede siyang itaas. Pero mas gusto ko yung nakababa yung armrest niya. Yan. So, meron din akong mga binili sa Lazada na mga kagamitan ko, no? Like yung ano yung pangalan nun? Yung laminating machine ko, sa Lazada ko binili. And then, yung cutter, Lazada ko rin binili. At saka yung mga materials na ginagamit ko para sa ref magnet, sa Lazada ko rin binibili mga yan. Also, yung aking book binder. Ayan, meron akong book binding machine, no? I can do book binding, no? So, in the next coming days, one of the things na papasukin ko is yung paggawa po ng mga journals. Like, mga ganitong journal. Ayan. So, hopefully, magawa ko itong mga journals na ito kapag naayos na yung isang printer ko kasi meron akong dalawang printer. Yung isa is dedicated only for printing photos, images, no? Pero yung isa, yun yung gagamitin ko sa pagpiprint ng mga insight. No? So, yun. What else? So, yun nga. And I might be buying a ring binder soon, no? Kasi nga, sa work ko kasi, dahil redundant work, no? Paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawa ko sa work. Pag medyo naiinip po ako, I do things like layout, design, para sa ganon, mawala yung, kapagiging mainip, naiinip, nabuburn out, ayan. So, in order to help me sa, kasi yun yung isa sa nagiging parang struggles or challenge ng mga work from home is yung nabuburn out ka sa mga task mo. Lalo na kung paulit-ulit yung task, no? So, para ma-prevent ako, yes?
Sorry, I was in the CR and what's his name? Is your Jocko say?
Who?
Rocco, Jocko,
Who?
Flacco,
Who?
Dinko. Harold's his friend.
Okay. So anyhow, as I was saying, you can like do something apart from your task. What I normally do is this. I stay 30 minutes in what I'm doing and then tatayo ako, mag-i-stretch ako, no? I-close ko yung eyes ko for like 20 seconds para ma-avoid yung eye straining, no? Kasi there was one time na ang ginawa ko, dire-diretso ako nag-work up to 10 hours and then nakita ko namumula yung mata ko and it was so dry, no? So, according to my ophthalmologist, hindi po pala maganda yon. And that is also one of the reasons why yung aking astigmatism ay mataas. So, then, I was advised, no, by my ophthalmologist to keep mga moisturizer, no, para sa eyes. Keep it at hand, no. So I have this which is moisturizer and I have this IMO, no, IMO or Vicin it is, para may moisturizer yung mata. You don't need to use it every day, just like pag nararamdaman mo medyo nagda-dry. That's why I keep that on my pouch. No? Then, at kung minsan naman nilalagay ko po siya sa ref para kapag pinatak mo sa mata mo ay malamig. They said it's not advisable pero it's good naman, no, for us pag inaano natin siya. We take care of our eyes. We have to take good care of our eyes really. And then also when I feel like nababurn out ako kasi mafe-feel mo yun na nababurn out ka because of the paulit-ulit na task, no? Like kahit nasabihin mong yung task mo is SMM, your task is email management, lead generation, nakaka-toxic, nakaka-burn out. Okay? But kahit nakaka-toxic, nakaka-burn out, pera yan, no? So, pera yan na kailangan mo, okay? So, you have to work on things on how you can protect yourself from being burnt out, no? Sa iyong task. So, what I normally do, yun nga, I take a break every 30 minutes from doing my redundant task. And then, after that, ang ginagawa ko, gagawa ako ng iba. Say, for example, I'll design in Canva. That will help me, kumbaga parang another environment, no? And then, I will, or kapag meron akong set of, like in here, in my planner, I have set of things that I need to do. So, I'll do one of this. No? I'll do one of these things na kailangan kong gawin, which is aside from my work. So, that way, hindi ako mababurn out. It will help me, parang yun parang restarting yourself, no? Parang sa computer yan, kapag matagal siyang nagwo-work, kailangan i-restart mo yan para ma-refresh, no? Ma-refresh siya. So, that's how I refresh myself. And then, minsan, I will take a few minutes to watch a video, no, or a movie. Yan, ganyan. So, reading kasi for me, I can't kasi parang nai-strain na yung mata ko sa mga research, sa mga layouting and everything. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang, hindi talaga actually nanonood, pero parang nakikinig lang ako sa movie. Yan. Kasi kapag nakikinig ka, kahit hindi mo siya nakikita, na-imagine mo naman kung what is going on with that movie. So, that's how I can, kumbaga parang those are some tips that I could give you. And thank you for sending hugs. Yeah. So, my sister is watching me. Thank you. And Marco is watching me. And some other people are watching me. Ay, salamat. Meron ako mga viewers. So, and also, what else ba? Yung there are some things na, kumbaga, parang, na tayo sa paulit-ulit, no? Kaya nga, ako, when I was teaching I was coaching, I give the aspiring VAs a list of mga URLs, job URLs, wherein they can post their profiles and then look for a job, no? The other day ba yun, or yesterday, someone may nag-mention, sa akin, nag-confide, sabi niya, coach, sabi niya, kasama ako dito sa ganitong group. And what happened was, ang dami nang nagko-complain na mahirap daw maghanap ng VA job, no? Parang masyado nang mahirap. Well, sabi ko nga, to be honest, no? This is just my observation and my personal opinion. 10 years ago, ang VA is parang, it's hindi kilala, no? 10 years ago, hindi ito kilala na isa pala siyang career. Hindi siya ganoon ka-well known. And then, all of a sudden, madami ng, after, I think, naging kilala lang ang VA world during, ano ba yung tawag to? During the pandemic or pre-pandemic, bago pandemic, no? One of the companies na alam kong na-create was 2017 yata. Merong isang company na naka-base sa Visayas. It started on 2017. I forgot the name. Pepper VA yata siya. Anyhow, so nagsulputan na ngayon yung mga companies na yan. And then, what, of course, it's a business. Na it's a business because kapag nag-join ka doon sa ano nila, although maganda kapag nag-join ka and you become part of their pool na tinatawag ko, you apply to them as a VA, so nandun ka na sa listahan nila ng mga potential VAs na i-prepare nila sa mga potential clients naman nila. And then, just like Upwork and other apps or tools for like Fiverr, may mga cut yan sa sa iyong paycheck, no? Maraming that I think on your hourly rate they will take a portion. I'm not sure how much because I haven't experienced that, no? Kasi ako direct hire ako. So, then anong nangyayari, marami na ngayon nagsulputan and even freelancers right now na VA freelancers na nakikipagtrabaho lang din sa mga freelancers sa ibang bansa. They will get the job and then ipapasa yung job sa Filipino and then they take the paycheck and then they only give a certain amount dun sa kapwa Pilipino. Okay? There's nothing wrong with that. But iba kasi ang pananaw ko. Iba kasi yung mindset ko. Maybe because I know who I am and I know who my Abba Father is. So for me, as much as possible, I just want to help. And if I land a client that will require like data entry, I will give it to the people who has that I know of na may data entry skills. And if they don't have the data entry skills, I will guide them through. I will coach them through until they get the gist of the job or the task that they are doing. So yun yung palagi kong prayer is just, the Lord God will open the floodgates of heaven for clients to, get in touch with me, and then I could disseminate it to aspiring VAs na alam ko na talagang they really are serious of becoming a VA, no? Kasi as a VA, my personal experience as a VA, loyalty and trust is one of the things na kumbaga parang na-treasure ng aking mga employer sa akin, no? Kasi ako, if you give me what I deserve, I will give you my all. Kumbaga, everything. Every time na merong papagawang task sa akin, they always ask me, can you do it? Can you do it? Ang lagi ko lang sagot, I will try my best. But I will exceed. I always make sure that I exceed their expectation, which is, I think, that made me indispensable, no, in that aspect. And being 10 years in the industry, so kumbaga parang hindi ka na talaga pwedeng itapon ng basta-basta. There may be a tight competition out there, but because of loyalty, hindi ka basta-basta ipagpapalit ng iyong client, no? Hindi ka basta-basta kumbaga isi-set aside, no? So honesty and loyalty, no, and then trust. That is what you have to develop in your client if you are willing to become if you are willing to work in this industry for a long time. And like my husband, we were talking, sabi niya, so how long would you like to work with Mike and Dalen? Sabi niya. Well, sabi ko, for as long as they need me. Even if I turn 60, sabi ko, next year I will be a golden girl. Sabi ko, if I turn 60 and they still need me in the job, I will, because I do believe na when you love what you do, there is nothing difficult for you. So, I love what I do, no? And plus, I don't have a stress. To be honest, other people are stressed becoming a VA. But for me, it's like contentment, number one. Kapag kasi hindi ka kontento dun sa isang client mo na yon, and then you have to get another client, then may stress ka kasi you are juggling between two companies, and kung magkapareho yan ng industriya, it's okay. But if they have a different industry, then that will be confusing in some way or the other. So, for me, it's like I have this one company and I have devoted my life, 10 years of my life with them, and they appreciate all the things that I do, and I appreciate all the things they do for me, plus yung kapag hindi ako makapag-work because of typhoon and everything, na walang power, ganito, ganyan, they understand. I will just, of course, syempre, kahit hindi nila hinihingi, I will take video of the environment or at least a screenshot na eto po yung nangyari to justify my excuse, no? So I think that made me or them trust me more because what I'm saying is just true, no? Pati nga yung mga yung mga notices ni TEI, pinapadala ko sa kanila. Sasabihin ko, "Sir, I cannot work on this day or this hour Philippine time." Alam naman nila paano i-convert. And then I said, kasi meron kaming notice from our electric company, supplier, power supply, sabi ko. Pero, eto naman ang ang lagi ko sabi, pero kapag hindi nila pinatay, ganong kasi kung minsan nangyayari yan sasabihin ni TE, ay papatayin ng ganito, pero hindi nangyayari kasi hindi naman kayo, kumbaga parang really affected kahit nasa isang barangay kayo. There are instances like that, no? So sasabihin ko nun, pero kapag hindi po nila pinatay, I will work. Ayan, nakalinya naman yung mga work, mga tasks na gagawin ko. Nandoon naman sila, no? So there are tasks which can wait for me, no? For me to do it. And there are tasks naman na kailangan ko siyang gawin. So that's the good thing in my company, no? The company I'm working with, and with my boss, no? Yung dalawang boss ko na palagi kong kausap. Yeah. So, anyhow, gaya nga ng sinasabi ko, if you are aspiring VAs or mga busy na nanay that you want to have side hustles, no, yung mga sidelines na just comment down below kung ano yung mga ideas that you have come up with, or if you want me to give you ideas about things that you can do as a work from home mom, and at the same time kung hindi enough yung income mo, ano yung pwedeng idagdag, you can message me or comment, no? And then I will try my best to give you ideas, heads up, comments, and maybe to teach it to you online, no? But more often kasi hindi siya kapag naka live stream, hindi ko maipapakita ng actual sa computer, no? Mas prefer ko na i-record siya, and then I'm using Zoom to record the tutorial, and then I can post it on my YouTube channel, and then you can watch it in the YouTube channel, no? I will just please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will post it here, and then or you can go to my Facebook, LinkedIn, no? Makikita nyo doon yung aking mga socials, no? Yung mga aking mga social media links, no? And then you can get connected with, let's get connected, no? And help each other, no? Kahit na maraming nagsasabi, a friend of mine yesterday habang naka-online, sabi niya, "Day, hindi ko kaya yung ginagawa mo." Sabi niya, "Kakaiba ka." I said, well, actually, sabi ko, if you are doing it over and over again, you will be able to do it, no? There is, wala naman siyang, kumbaga, parang, hindi naman kailangan ng master's degree holder to become or to be able to do what I can do. Sometimes nga, kahit master's degree holder ka na, hindi mo pa rin siya mag-grasp, no? But I'm not bashing about having those degrees. That's good if you have them, no? It's just that the virtual world is different from the secular. iba kasi ang virtual. It is more of result-oriented na mundo, no? And how fast you can work, how fast you can adapt to the environment and to the tools and apps that you will be using, no? So it really takes a lot of learning, no, and practice. Yan, inuulit-ulit ko. Learn and practice, learn and practice. That's the only two things that would land you to a good paying work from home, no, or sideline, part-time, side hustles, and being creative is also another thing, for everyone that is watching right now. Being creative, being different. Tandaan natin, there is 8 billion people, more than 8 billion people, but you are the only one who have that thumb mark. So kapag ikaw lang may ganyang thumb mark, ibig sabihin ikaw lang ang kakaiba ang bawat isa sa atin. There is no two persons, kahit nga identical twins, hindi pa rin sila identical. Meron pa rin silang kaibahan, no? So, just keep on pressing on, no? Pressing on, persevere, no? Be patient, no? Kung nakapagpadala ka na ng 100 resume to 100 companies, please don't stop. Just keep on pursuing, and then like and follow my page. Sometimes I send links doon wherein you can try going to those links, or mga nakikita ko sa mga FB Reels that they are doing this, but I don't guarantee that it will work for you, but at least to try it, it's good, no? Kasi ako, I saw these things and I want to check on them, and then if it works, then I can share it to everybody, no? If it works for me, it will work for you. So, yeah. I think okay na. No, I was able to give you a heads up of my day. No, again, this is your Lady Boss GVA Jennifer Schultz, signing off for today sa aking live stream, and see you again tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I can give you a good topic that we can discuss, no, and then we can brainstorm, kumbaga, for the things that you can have or you can do, yeah, as a virtual assistant. Yes, thank you so much, and God bless you, everyone, mga kabaro. Bye!